Welcome to Basics Joes. Today we're going to be making my grandma's overnight pancakes. This recipe feeds 8 or more people, so I'm going to put a link below in the description that cuts the recipe in half, and I'm going to put the recipe we're using in that link. So the things that you put in are 4 cups of flour, 8 cups of oats, 10 cups of milk, and we're going to be soaking that overnight because that helps you digest it better, and then we're going to be finishing the recipe off tomorrow. Make sure it's well mixed, then just pop a lid on it and set it off to the side on the counter. It's fine to set it on the counter because it will help with the breaking down process, and if you put it in the fridge, it will make it a lot slower. So we've let this mixture soak all night, and now we're going to add 8 eggs, half a cup of oil, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons baking soda, 2 teaspoons sugar, and 3 tablespoons baking powder. Make sure you stir it thoroughly, then pop a bit on your griddle. When the bubbles start popping on the top of the pancakes, they are ready to flip. If you want to add blueberries or something to them, now's the time.